In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Figma to Figma in the simplest way possible. If you've been trying to move a design from Figma into Figma without starting over from scratch, this tutorial will save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can copy your Figma content and paste it into Figma quickly and cleanly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in Figma. Make sure you're inside the correct page or component that you want to move over to Figma. This part is important because whatever you copy is what you're going to paste into Figma, so take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the right section or frame. Next, select the section or frame that you want to export. If your project has multiple elements, choose the exact area you want to bring into Figma. You can click on the frame or object directly or use the Layers panel if that's easier for your workflow. The goal here is to isolate the design content you want to transfer. Once you've selected it, right-click on the selection and choose Copy. This copies the Figma element to your clipboard. Depending on what you selected, Figma will keep the structure, layout, and many of the visible design elements ready for transfer. Now open Figma in a new tab or window. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the correct canvas before pasting anything. If you want, you can create a new page or a new frame in Figma first so your imported content stays organized. Then simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. Figma will place the copied content onto the canvas. Give it a second to load, especially if the design is larger or contains multiple layers. Once it appears, you can click around and inspect the imported elements. After pasting, check the layout carefully. Depending on the complexity of the Figma design, some elements may need a little cleanup, spacing adjustment, or font correction. That's completely normal when moving content between tools. The main idea is that you've now brought the design over from Figma into Figma much faster than rebuilding it manually. If the content looks slightly off, don't worry. You can resize frames, reposition layers, and fine-tune text styles directly inside Figma. This gives you a great starting point for edits, collaboration, or further design work. So to recap, open your Figma project, select the frame you want, right-click and copy, then go into Figma and paste with Ctrl or Command+V. That's the fastest way to move your Figma design into Figma. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides like this. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when I post the next step-by-step video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.